proven protection for up to 10,000 miles. Engineered for use with conventional or synthetic motor oil. A special blend of fibers and resin creates a proprietary filter media that captures 95% of dirt particles that can cause harmful engine wear. Designed for everyday drivers who perform frequent maintenance on their vehicles. Fit type. Vehicle specific. Oil that lubricates and cools the engine is picked up by the engine's oil pump, cleaned by the oil filter, and reused. It is vital that any dirt or contamination picked up by the circulating oil be removed before it is pumped back into the engine. Top reviews from the United States. Works well, great deal. I've put over 50,000 miles on my latest motorcycle and change the oil at 3K intervals, so I've got plenty of experience with this particular CH6012 filter and its competitors. I usually just buy whatever is cheaper, often Purolator, which I can find locally at Pep Boys. My Kawasaki dealer wants about $20 total for an OEM filter and the 2 O-rings, which I refuse to pay when I can see no difference between OEM and the aftermarket. This Fram deal on Amazon, particularly with my Prime, is an absolute steal. My only wish is that Fram, and the others, would use a slightly bigger box so the large diameter oil filter cover O-rings didn't have to be so squished up inside the box. It always comes out deformed a bit, but though I am always concerned, I've never had one leak after installation, either.